There is nothing more dangerous than an idiot who thinks he is a genius. And that perfectly explains Donald Trump.
How can there be in Iran?
Well, I don't want to say that, but I was disappointed because we think it's going to lead to just more of the same problem for the country. So I was disappointed to see their choice.
Recently, Trump said he is disappointed with Iran's new supreme leader, like he is the world's HR manager. I don't like this leader. Send another resume. Bro, this is not your company. It's another country. Meanwhile, back in America, people are still asking a very simple question. Where are the Epstein files? The moment someone says Epstein near Trump, suddenly Donald Trump turns into Donald Duck. Like this. So instead of Donald Trump, you just call this man Donald Duck.